Let's take a look at critical analysis of gender in the workplace. Previous research has shown that practices cannot be solely comprehended by evaluating organizational policy. This multi-level perspective framework enables us to assess how societal factors such as gender, culture, religion, law, and economic factors impact employment opportunities for women. One study of an Australian model supported the notion that the adoption of a multi-level framework can achieve better business outcomes and equity outcomes with a diverse workforce. By looking at 3 perspective levels, it's been found that the legislation in Australia makes little effort to enforce management of cultural diversity by organizations. Even though it's possible that the multi-level framework can bring many benefits, there are limitations with the model. As the model aims at improving business outcomes as well as social outcomes through equal employment opportunity and social inclusion, it will take longer to achieve such outcomes, and the cost to government and organizations will be much higher. They also suggest that it's not necessary for organizations to operate beyond economic and legal responsibility.